It's July. Summer is in full swing, and I want to share with you guys what's my daily go-to for beauty. I'm all about bold brows, natural lashes, sometimes falsies, fresh, clean skin, a little bit of a cheek and lip tint, and out the door. And we cannot forget about SPF, always SPF, right? But today I really want to put you guys on my new obsession. As I mentioned, bold brows. I'm all about getting my brows hennaed. It really just takes away, it cuts my makeup time in half, and my brows always look pristine. However, I do have a secret weapon that I want to share with you guys. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. These are Regine Tweezers. They are from Switzerland. They're handmade. They're so crisp, and they work so well whenever I want to clean my brows in between wax. So if I want to clean my brows in between wax sessions, make sure I don't have any hairs in the middle, these are my go-tos. I mean, these slanted tweezers are insanely amazing. I love that you can hear the crispness of the tweezer. But last but not least, I like to use these as well for lashes. As I mentioned, I am about a natural lash in the summertime. However, if I want to be a little extra and glamorous, I pop on some strip lashes, or heck, even some individual ones at the end, and these are my go-to. Guys, seriously, insane tweezers. So good. So good. Love.